2025 Hyundai Tucson. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson is a compact SUV that continues to push the boundaries of design, technology, and value in its segment. Known for its bold styling, advanced safety features, and efficient powertrains, the Tucson has become a popular choice for those seeking a well-rounded and reliable vehicle. The 2025 model builds on this reputation with enhancements that make it more appealing than ever. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Exterior design. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson stands out with its futuristic and dynamic exterior design, which follows Hyundai's sensuous sportiness design language. The front fascia is dominated by a large, cascading grille that seamlessly integrates with the striking LED headlights. These headlights feature a unique parametric jewel pattern that gives the Tucson a distinctive and upscale look. The daytime running lights are cleverly hidden within the grille when not in use, contributing to the SUV's clean and modern appearance. The side profile of the Tucson is characterized by sharp character lines and a sculpted body that gives the vehicle a sense of motion even when it's stationary. The wheel arches are prominent, housing either 18-inch or 19-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim level. The Tucson's wheelbase is longer than many of its competitors, providing a stable and composed ride while also contributing to its spacious interior. At the rear, the Tucson continues to impress with its full-width LED taillights, which are connected by a light bar that accentuates the vehicle's wide stance. The rear bumper is clean and minimalistic, with hidden exhaust outlets that maintain the Tucson's sleek and aerodynamic design. Overall, the 2025 Tucson exudes a level of style and sophistication that is rare in the compact SUV segment. Interior and comfort. The interior of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson is designed with comfort, technology, and practicality in mind. The cabin features high-quality materials and a modern layout that provides a premium feel. Soft-touch surfaces, available leather upholstery, and ambient lighting create a welcoming and luxurious atmosphere. The dashboard is dominated by a large 10.25-inch touchscreen display, which serves as the hub for the infotainment system. This system includes navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. Below the touchscreen, the Tucson features touch-sensitive controls for the climate system, giving the interior a sleek and uncluttered appearance. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel is fully customizable, providing the driver with all the necessary information at a glance. The Tucson's interior is also highly practical, with plenty of storage compartments and a spacious layout. The Tucson also provides generous cargo space, with up to 38.7 cubic feet of storage behind the rear seats, and this expands to 74.8 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down. Performance and powertrain. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving needs, including gasoline, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid options. The base engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine that produces 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and is available with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Technology and safety. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson is packed with advanced technology that enhances both convenience and safety. The infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly, with crisp graphics and quick response times. The system includes a range of connectivity features such as Bluetooth, USB ports, and a wireless charging pad. The Tucson also offers an available Bose premium audio system, delivering excellent sound quality for music lovers. Hyundai has equipped the 2025 Tucson with a comprehensive suite of safety features known as Hyundai Smart Sense. This suite includes forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, and adaptive cruise control with stop and go capability. These systems work together to help prevent accidents and reduce driver fatigue, especially during long journeys. One of the standout features of the Tucson is the available remote smart parking assist. The Tucson also includes a surround view monitor that provides a 360-degree view of the area around the vehicle, making it easier to navigate in crowded environments. If you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Thanks for watching.